when we're talking about AI, and when you're thinking about AI and what it all means, to me, I think of AI as pure matter. And what do I mean by that? I mean, if you think about it, AI, okay, is just pretend intelligence. Pretend intelligence, okay? Simple. It's all pretend. It's just a bunch of wires and material and electricity and plastic and all these different elements, all these different stuff that we humans have created. But do you know what AI does not have? It's all pure materials, as we said, but you know it doesn't have? It doesn't have energy. We humans have energy. We're not just matter. Humans, this is matter. My fingers, my hands, this is matter, but there's energy now flowing even between me and this video now. Even between me, this camera, and you, there is some kind of energy. And if you're still watching this, and you haven't scrolled, there's energy. Because this is what makes us who we are. And that's how we differ from AI. Because AI now is doing a lot of intelligent things. But it's all pretend intelligence. It's all programmed. It's all like calculator. I mean, calculator can do mathematics really, really fast because we've programmed it, but it's all plastic. It doesn't understand what it's doing. We've given it a recipe. We've created languages. So we've created a machine that can do things and pretend to do things in an intelligent way that a human can do. But let's think about this for one moment, okay? If there were no screens, okay, or if humans decided not to spend so much time on a screen, AI is irrelevant. AI means nothing. It's just pretend intelligence. And yes, what AI can do well, because we've trained it, does data, does information really, really well. You can read millions and millions of pieces of data in minutes. You can find patterns. You can learn from that because we've trained it. It can then process that information and it can transact. And it can self-learn from that because we program it to self-learn. We program it, especially deep learning AI, we program it to think like a human. So they go back to assess its own results and then to update its own formulas in its head. So, just like our neurons, our brain neurons in the head, they're making mathematical predictions because every single time we're making a decision, we're making a decision based on what we're identifying. And so through that identification, whether it is an object, a piece of matter, and the situation, we're identifying a situation and then we're making a prediction, and that in essence, from that prediction, from that mathematical prediction of what we think is going to happen, we make decisions. And that drives our thoughts and our patterns. But one thing about AI, and this is my view here, is this. There's a lot of talk about AI taking over the world, what are humans going to do, how are we going to be able to compete, because this does data, okay? But remember this, it has no energy. It has no consciousness. It has no feelings. It has no senses. What we do as humans better than anything is feelings and emotions. How we create things is feelings and emotions. How we dream about things is purpose. It's faith. It's love. It's being creative, thinking the impossible. Now this is where AI is going to come in, because I am involved in AI and I am creating products in AI. But I think the majority of people that are involved in AI are trying to create products to solve human problems that are going to help other humans. Because the goal here is to help humans become their best self.